Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play New Super Mario Bros. U Deluxe with others. This classic platformer is designed for fantastic local multiplayer fun. You can gather up to 4 players around a single Nintendo Switch console, making it perfect for family game nights or friendly gatherings. Get ready to jump, run, and power up together through over 164 unique courses. Setting up local multiplayer is straightforward. First, ensure you have enough Joy-Con or Pro controllers for everyone, up to 4 players. Simply connect them wirelessly to your Nintendo Switch. Once connected, each person can choose their favorite character, including Mario, Luigi, Toad, Nabbit, or Toadette. Then, dive into any level or challenge mode to begin your cooperative adventure. It's important to clarify that New Super Mario Bros. U Deluxe does not feature online cooperative play for its main story or challenge modes. This game is specifically crafted for the joy of shared screen, local multiplayer. While a Nintendo Switch Online subscription offers online features for many other titles, it does not enable online co-op for New Super Mario Bros. U Deluxe. The fun is truly in playing side by side. To maximize your multiplayer fun, try experimenting with the unique abilities of each character. For instance, Toadette can transform into Peachette, allowing her to float and double jump, which is great for new players. Coordinate with your teammates to conquer challenging levels, find all 3 star coins, and uncover secret exits. Teamwork is key to mastering the Mushroom Kingdom and having a blast together.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.